Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and today we're going to be doing a tour here around Pop Century in Walt Disney World, Florida. All right, we're heading into the lobby. You have your check-in. You have the Everything Pop shopping and dining area straight ahead. Got some Minnie Mouse on the wall. Get some caricature. Get your picture drawn. I see you have the Fast Forward Arcade. Just give you a quick look in here. It's pretty good sized. Does come with massage chairs, so after a rough Disney day, you can get yourself a massage here in the chair. But quick look around the arcade. You come back here to the Toy Story photo booth.
And a Raya photo booth back there. There's a marble one too.
So you do Toy Story. So just a quick look around. Different photo booths, of course. Disney is big on photos. All right, head back out into the lobby area. And of course, they have the gift shop, which of course has everything Disney in it. And also in the back is the food court area. We'll head over there in a minute. So we are heading outside into the pool area. This is going to be the main pool. You have pedals. Of course, the big pop sign. Quick look at the pool area. And of course, it opens at 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. So we are heading over into the 50s area. You can see Lady from Lady and the Tramp. And another pool area up in this direction. And then right across from Lady, you have the Tramp. There is another pool here in the 50s section of Pop Century. So here in the 50s section, all of the stairs are big giant bowling pins. Around each area, you're also going to find these little fun facts. So, an example here is 1956. A record 54 million TV viewers tuned into the Ed Sullivan Show to see Elvis Presley. So that was in 1956. Now we are heading into the 1960s. And all of the stairwells here are yo-yos. So we are back around by the main pool, the Hippy Dippy Pool, which is here in the 60s section. And of course, you have giant Play-Doh and Jungle Book on the other side. And giant Play-Doh. Over here, you have Baloo and Mowgli from the Jungle Book. Well, that's pretty good. He's, what's that, 3-4 stories tall? Next, we head into the 1970s. Over here, all of the stairwells are 8-track tapes. And then right over here, though, you have a nice little photo opportunity with Goofy. and a Corvette. Now, why Goofy? Apparently, Goofy is also rocking a Stingray Corvette. Did Goofy have a Stingray Corvette at some point in time?
Maybe.
Well, I'm assuming maybe. That's why
I think
there's.
it's just the year. Goofy was.
Oh, that makes more sense. 60s. Goofy just happens to be here. Okay. All right, we are heading into the 70s area. And first up, you have a giant game of Twister. Well, it's not really giant, is it? But you do have the Twister game. Want to play Twister?
No. I wouldn't be able to get up.
And then we keep on heading in. You have the Mickey Mouse phone. Does anybody remember the Mickey Mouse phone? And did you own one? And of course, the introduction of the big wheel. You got foosball. They do have a second area to play Twister. Oh, and I see Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head coming up. All right, and coming into the 80s area, you have Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. And over here, all of the stairwells are Rubik's Cubes. Another shot of the Rubik's Cube stairwells. As we head into the 80s, and here you're going to see Roger Rabbit and another pool area up ahead. Have ghosts from classic Pac-Man to breakdancing. Close up here of Roger Rabbit. Here on the ground, you have a giant computer keyboard. And then anybody that knows the 80s from the 80s, you cannot possibly forget the Walkman. Now, there is a third pool area between the 80s and 90s. The last section we're heading into is the 90s section. You can see it right through there. There's a giant floppy disk. One of the nice things, besides you can tell from the stairwells, all the different buildings are different colors if you're trying to figure out exactly which one is yours. And finally, a giant laptop over here to symbolize the 90s. And the giant laptop with lots of Mickeys all throughout. All right, and that is going to be our tour around Pop Century Resort. Hope everybody's enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor, hit subscribe. And of course, like always,
We'll see you out on the high seas.
or Disney.
Or Disney.